For the best experience, please watch this video on a phone or tablet. Set the resolution to high. Stand up and pan your phone to look around. In the countries where the Aga Khan Foundation works, including in Madagascar, the availability, reliability and affordability of clean energy are all limited. Without access to sustainable energy sources, the full socio-economic potential of many communities cannot be realized, thereby reducing people's quality of life and ability to adapt to climate change. With the support of the Organisation de Soutien pour le Développement Rural à Madagascar, or OSDRM, an affiliate of the Aga Khan Foundation, farmers in Madagascar have been enhancing the productivity and sustainability of their dairy farming practices, while at the same time securing access to clean energy. Since 2018, OSDRM has been working with smallholder farmers to improve their cattle breeding practices, including building farmers' skills on establishing fodder nurseries to ensure high-quality, sustainable nutrition for their livestock, improving cow breeding through artificial insemination, and constructing better quality stables. To ensure access to clean energy, OSDRM has helped farmers introduce biodigesters, a farm-level system that recycles farm waste by biologically digesting organic material, such as food scraps or manure, to create gas, which can be used as fuel for cooking. By making farmers more resilient to economic and climate shocks alike, OSDRM and the Aga Khan Foundation are improving livelihoods and the quality of life of generations to come.